Hey, what are you doing up there? You goof? I don't even know if we can get a perspective of how high that is. That's crazy. What are you doing? Did he get chased?
Yeah, Annie's dog chased him.
Hi. That's crazy. Buddy, I don't know if you've ever been quite this high up. That's wild. Like you can see that's just go stand at the base of that tree, Jane. Just so you can see.
It's like
He's like right there.
now we have to figure out how to get him
Okay,
off.
buddy. Now we have to find out if you can actually come down this tree.